This video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Matilan. Matilan is the ransomware that is able to essentially damage all the data that the customers store on their computers. Before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no problems opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documentation. But regretfully, because of certain existing leaks in the security of the specific computer, this Matilan ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Then pretty soon people realize that something bad has happened with their data and that they cannot use their files anymore. So these are the results of the ransomware attack. You get a message saying that your company is hacked and compromised, and that your network was attacked, that your computers and servers were locked, and other scary information is also presented here. Now, the ransomware is called Matilan because it encrypts the files and adds a special Matilan extension to the data. Removing this extension manually does not decrypt the files. So the ransomware tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom does not guarantee that your files will be restored, so we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. We recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus to remove this ransomware effectively from your system. To download it, you need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may be also encrypted. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and then start the application. You might need to access the folder that stores Combo Cleaner. After the program is started, you need to click on Start Scan button, but keep in mind that first of all, the program should update its anti-malware database. And of course, this is crucial for proper detection and removal of this particular ransomware. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will, first of all, update its anti-malware database. Do not cancel this process because, as I said, this is extremely important for proper identification and elimination of any ransomware, including Matilan ransomware. The procedure of updating the anti-malware database might take several minutes depending on how fast your internet connection is. So you might need to wait several minutes until the update procedure is successfully accomplished. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner is successfully updated, the program begins scanning and researching your computer. So then at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add certain folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks, but this feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats. Even though some of them can be removed manually, we strongly advise that you upgrade to premium to delete all of them automatically and to have your data always protected in the future.